Hi guys, welcome to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss our question, and our question says display an array in reverse. It means you'll be given an array of size n and we have to print all its element in reverse order. So let's discuss this question. Uh, Suppose this is my array 5, 1, 3, 2, 6. N here is equals to 5. This is my indexing and I have to print this array in this way 6, 2, 3, 1, 5. Okay. I have to write a recursive method to print this array in reverse order. So suppose my method will be display r arr idx comma n, right? So this will be my method that will print all its element in all this array's element in reverse order, right? So whenever we talk about recursion, we have two things. First is expectation, second is faith, right? So my expectation is that display arr comma 0 comma n will print all my elements from index 0 till n minus 1 in reverse order, right? Okay, this is my expectation. And now comes my faith, that is display arr 1 comma n will display all my elements from index 1 till n in reverse order, right? Let's say if I again have a faith, that is display arr comma 2 comma n will display all elements from index 2 till 4 in reverse order, right? I will continue to have this fade till my index become equals to 5. So if I reach here when my index become equals to 5, it means I have printed all my arrays elements in reverse order, right? I have displayed all my array elements in reverse order, and now also I have nothing to print here at this index, so I have to return back. So this will be my base condition. This will be my base condition when index become equals to n, then do what? Then return, right? This will be my base condition. And what will be my function do? It will first of all call display. It will first of all print all elements from index plus 1 till n, and then it will print element at index idx, right? I again say my method will do what? It will first of all print all the elements from index plus 1 till n in reverse order, and then it will print itself, right? So it will work this way. It will first of all print all elements from say here to here in reverse order, that is 6 to 3 1. It will print all these elements in reverse order, then it will print itself. Now again similarly for this condition, it will print all elements, that is 3 to 6 in reverse order, that is 6 to 3, and then it will print itself, right? So I first of all call this and then print myself, print arr comma idx. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So let's write some code. First of all, there will be my base condition, and my base condition is if my index become equals to n, then return. Otherwise do what? Otherwise first of all print all elements from index plus 1 till n in reverse order, and then print itself, print arr of idx, right? And now let's try to run this. Output says 57013, right? 57013. So my array was 31075, so 57013 is getting printed. And now try to submit this. Accepted. Okay, so now let's discuss. Let's try to dry run this. Okay, what was my array? My array was 31075. Let's say my array is, first of all, erase this. Erase all this. My array was 31075. 31075. Okay, and here is equals to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I try to run this, main first of all call this method, that is display arr, comma 0, comma n, right? So first of all, it will check if my idx, that is 0, is equals to n, and here is 5. No, it's not equals to n. Then it will do what? It will call display arr 1 till n. So it will ask this method to print all elements from index 1 till n in reverse order. Then it will print itself. Then again, display arr 1 comma idx plus 1 checked. If 1 is equals to n, no, it's not equals to n. So it called display arr 2 comma n, right? It checks if 2 is equals to n, no, 2 is not equals to n. Then it called display arr 3 comma n. This called display arr 1 comma n. This called display arr 2 comma n. Then this again call display arr 3 comma n. It again calls display arr 4 comma n. Then it checks if 4 is equals to 5. No, it's not. Then it will do what? It will again call display arr 5 comma n, right? It called display arr 4 comma n. arr 4 comma n. It will call display arr 5 comma n. It will check if 5 is equals to 5. That is, if it's equals to n, yes, it is equals to n. So it returns back, right? Now in this method, we have executed till this line. So I will do what? I'll print arr of idx. That is, I will print arr of 4. That is 5, right? It will print arr of 4. It again return back. It has executed till this line. It print arr of 3. That is 7. It returns back. It will again print it has executed till this line. It prints arr of 2. That is 0. It returns. It prints arr of 1. It returns. It prints arr of 0. That is 3. And then it returns back to main. And my array gets printed in reverse order. That is 57013. Right? So this was my recursive method to print an array in reverse order, right? So I hope it was clear to you. I hope you like this video, guys. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.